how to customize your iPhone charging sounds. And okay guys, here in your iPhone, go to shortcuts. Here in shortcuts, go to automation below. Okay, you can see here. And after that, tap the new automation button. And here you can search or scroll down and go to charger. You can tap this and make sure this is connected. And after that, tap the next button on the upper right side on your screen. And search or go to spec text. Here, you see the spec text. Okay, you can tap this. And you can now enter the speak text after you enter the charging on your iPhone. So for example, charging is connected. After that, tap the done button on the upper right side on your screen to save this automation. And okay guys, we can try it if the charging is customized charging sounds. Okay, insert this.
Charging is connected.
And that's it. Okay, you have successfully customized your iPhone charging sounds. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.